abusia fa mama mu nyina akwa aba ene ya wada na se de onim se wo Adom TV so no me okay sana enti ene wa hai enti efri na akro entwen me okay sana Friday anadwo bio because ya na ne bottles no ehie enti ne ye free Friday fiada wo ma ti we keep asenom ne ade bi won ma crocodile tears nipa wo wu mfa no ho obi kura won ne nkasa no aheda begina ne me no beko mpachew achede kase pa wodaseni wo wa asase so ene nkwa entu ti ase a aduane papa bi a Solomon kwa Yakopon ka che ndibi ensa papa bi a numbi se de etie bia eduru di aka ye wo no Yakopon ene obebu aten forget obi a na enjoy life no nti ye de abehye ya wada 9:30 anwumre bia me okay sana anwumre ya fa me vim lady afia pokua ene me ne lawyer Paul Parker atitogbi ene de everyday se manya ai me cameraman ba kwa igbeni boyfriend yes said the owo coach me no nya asem keto akra nti me was solid grounding just say from keta dabi me fi agbozu the ufi agbozu me wono no ufi keta adafia no oh me nkuma fo free ayi awoni keta me bra wife nti just say ya course ufi agbozu me ugogo agbozu me I get a bozome coach where they coach me. Tiene di HSM okay and I'm more vim with everywhere vim and I name de bremono. And you may shut down makwaba. Oh, Kumasi na wo share ya that's it. So we do TV not to Adom TV so. Now site here so live was 94.7. Oh, a poemantem kofodia Anaa suhum Anaa enkoko abetifi empire so be bia ya that's it. A front place now ya that's it. Sense so brown of mantem doma brekum wenchi techimai anase sunyaya yedase pa senye wabeki ho ewo Adom TV so enkran ha na wa ene etamu chuku because mo na mo ye host no na mo age abo so multi TV so de ene ye wazo ye ene ne mote wo tema ene medium no tema fo de ene abie ba ko pe wo te be bia tema ni be ko bia hu na to say yes premier ni papa nye premier ni a ase wo pe bia yo da bi premier ni o te apo eye tema ni enti ya chiamma makwaba eba Adom TV so ene asem kasie bi nam Ghana hanomo a enkrofo keka bie te me ka se mo fa menene nche me menya kata nti ase me hwene na fa abo enso se de te bia mefa ya se oba bi wo Ghana hanomo a wakwakoye oni CNN de obonyuma te se multimedia de ya bia kwakokasa ye wode moisha ya ese wakasa ma enkrofo bi bu afu na wakokasa Ghana economy nti wo ba de wo ya adwuma wo ho nso enti wuntumi ha dan tu be ha dan age se one me ma akoda na nkofo wo ba yi sister ali na mbenu akokan na so so ebi so che se ade ye nte Ghana ha ade okọ akufo ade run about ya hu guess o anya se be asha wo tutu bra ba esi bra no ombo ana na maquinas eko police hospital ko osu Oxford ya hu guess o ana okọ tema Subin Valley ya hu omo Kumasi Vienna ya hu guess o asha won de obi anim se nkofo bo eye bra bone ya Ghana fo guess bia ye o magene se ye sori ahomache eba multimedia adwuma mu ha anase do elections a me oba besia 2004 na me na voter region wo wo ekpando krache 3 days na me nware ko she baby na fa pure water na ma woro me draws me ye example a che because ye unim de ti America ne sa no me ti anum se awu me na vim lady na me pese me enye better sa o ye bre obu ono mpe ne sa e wa ma no wo pen shortcut to ko civil anu obi na ha mu no aka wa ye de obeye ne ade abema no ye aso obeso de ako ena mema ya bezo ma no no sa bebre mu anwo adi ni wo eye ketede no aso brafo asem ko fiscal bra nko bebre di on pese wo ye no batu dim se o ka kire obi sesebe wo ya ahya wo ye kronfo watomra ti ene asema ye ba be ka no ye fe no wo emrem se tort law ebi wo mu so akane no nanka defamation ade a friends wo gu obi hu fin wa kan asem bi wa tworo asem bi am wa se obi di bi ananipa ne ye sofo wo ye deacon wo ye elder wo ye journalist wo ye vim lady wo ye cameraman wo ye obi kunu wo ye obi mesese wo ye obi girlfriend wo ye obi fiancé afa kwa de ni fiancé no hu na ase sebe ye de gya nan agu no hu obi abeso ne be kasa ogu ne hu fia obetimi de wakọ court say ye ekurase a obetimi de wakọ nananom anim ama nananom atwe aso ene ye ba be say defamation no ne ahwe say enti Ghana fo obetimi de sisei akọ court say wagu Ghana fo anim ase ana Ghana fo ye masem so ade ege esi nyina ye bi se de mi kai na waka ne no kure so won de oye no no a ave Ghana fo ma fa no welcome na mbogu na anim ase enyime mamma akọ aba bie wasum na ebi obi edu atem asori amokokro bi pum wakutia kwasi ada mo bekwe na na obi ye pa chroto wo record to wo phone so na ye betwe manso defamation and ye do lawyer anyway good evening seboko de akuapemfo no ye na agbozo mefo no ye omunya ho ye ye da obi asipa so o mahwe so na waba me da so se me fe obi aya na waba yakopon sharpa na asemo ye be kan defamation also your case be a renchua versus
renchua versus
redua renchua versus redua wenchua there were here na mami enu a omo kontokwa na we di we atem na we di we atem okoma na no so as na de wo yoba oba sebi oba afun na Ghana ha say ya de eta koso teacher ne mema no about say ayi makafu inum ne makafu kwa dem say on shada ntisa but boys no aba no obi won my so odosan na ato adapa to oni ge ni jai a na okofa ge foforo na obachi no a say na de wo yoba wo hwe ho be ma ne me oba sebi oba afun te say o no apeo no wadi watem o tutu ni ba wo na ya chia wo kra wo kronfo na no ametutu mbotom ye taka but was had a sad defamation ni bia na defamation e kire sen
no defamation if you we ma minche etiefo
o mo da se pa
na minchia me asore emako yes
action and they say they emako for
Action Chapel
who Action Chapel
Hacho branch
sir meaning Christian Action Chapel
yes
good
yes if you are a defamation in church what amounts to defamation first defamation say obi aka sembi agu hufi ama a third party ati ma because of asem na oka ni no nipa no bo bonfia ano hu say on sem fata you look ridiculed were lower esteem yes in the before the public now there must be grounds to be able qualify say that conduct no amounts to defamation one
also nyina so
nti before abetima society say obi e defame wa ka asem bi egu hu no one e wo say wo kire say asem na nipa ne kan ye no ama egu hu fi ama obi e hu say asem ne nokre na say e bi wa ka asem bi ana wato ndum bi ho na nim face gesture right you have picture wa publish picture bi ana bibia or attributed to you ama the third party and obi o outside bia who say no asema nipa ikan kire say wo no sa na ote two
enti nipa ne ye na anim kura no a e defamation
yes ti say bia wo no obi kasa na obi ya say o so boa
nti bia say dia wo kan
exactly
o kasa o say na defamation say na tie na mete camera no na
say face gesture
so
it amounts to nti that is one of it two I was wo kire say nia nipa ne ye no eye wo no de no ndi
obi foforo bia because bet me am say entokwache ne bi keke na okope
nti first guest time jum no to your picture no publish ye ekutie bi o boy ye no eye wo no de so that is the second one third one is say I say wo to me kire say nia nipa ne ye no o wa adwen fi bi o wa adwen boni bi ta echi say o so de gu hufi
intention.
Malicious intention.
Na intention I was obopo bi woni
team.
And I say a poor bono ye adwemone. Nti malicious intention.
Basa ko ankoya adwembone na kire say say ye ti here na ye ka somebody explain we be adwembone inte say you say egu hu fi. Nti you not succeed exactly. Na yan hwe
na lawyer say obi ani obi tiri mo nti be dey hu say obi wa adwemone.
Wo o hwe the posture of the person ina sanya nipa ne kasam na obetima impune say we adwen fibi wachi o pe bibi dia ye ogu hu fi if I yan hwe wanchiwa ne redu
ano
ntokwa na woko ina ba ko say wase kankan nti ebufu aba mu nyina akọ mu nyina
yo very serious
attention nti yo kan wase kankan na ne bufu ye nti e de ntokwa ne bae sa nti chiri de ko court this because said no so o ka chiri obi say na se kankan wagu no hufi nti is amount to defamation onu so ante ne ho ase eno appeal at the circuit court said no asem no kan ye no oni malicious intention but ebufu at the spell of
the moment.
The moment, you know.
You know, Shan won't be
exactly. But only a dream, Bonnie be there, say, or so the good by a bufu, no, the kind.
Okay.
Sana second corner kind. But also appeal at a high court. High court, there be. To me, some way. Yes, for high court. If district court, call circuit court, call high court. In a high court, yes.
Was second
kind. Inti.
But no, the some keto will be cabia. Because a bit me about a bit me argument, I say, well, can't baby, I take quiet, baby, I'm persuaded by
into be a
about second kind.
Yeah. Inti a call high court, and a court high court, said Debbie. Unti car some way, my young Cassie Yabufu, Wagun Hoofy. Inti high court upheld the decision of the district court. You see, in overturning the decision of the circuit court. Well, you know, Casa no, Casa walk away, Wagun Nipan Hoofy. If I'm a second case, Bernard and Wyek. But there be on patrol way, dear, we're in Chuadiano. A customary defamation, and I said, no, a customary defamation. Customary and so that defamation, because I customary defamation. Well, I share the platform.
Okay.
Say,
baby or can,
yes, like so publish yeah, young to me, I say, a customary defamation. Way is like the community or more.
To a can of bonting, mammy, you know, no carbon. You know that I mamma so and you will be, and I casa what can you be. But Sabia or Troy,
yes,
to say Moisha, dear, or dear best any.
Exactly.
But I know Moisha and Edico Sienno. So on this or to the baby and for an interview.
Yes.
Into an Gamma for Betty, or Masani or Manuel Gunnity, or be betting me outside for defamation, say, I send my for kind. Or the enemy was a Ghana.
Casa or can one castle Ghana for or say me, and there's no kind.
Or say Ghana had dear. First one castle or say Ghana had dear as a woman, say Obano. To mean more bra and for what we can hide them where economy will say. Then they will generalize no cacao. But a bear ain't just say. We say, and some ordinary no ever so set into an old me. Ah, no, channel. Warranted diamond to a kind of general no count.
Yes,
I don't can't say Ghana economy. Into Ghana government, into me, Caucasian or Ghana economy no. A papa will be of her age. Ah, we you maybe I should be able to afford at least one room.
Yes,
and it's a one to me now, but who could not see anywhere. Echo Casa, no way, you
see, a very difficult
to prove it.
To prove, say, as some our kind, no, where would make me when you say. Well,
now, as on my can a state take a defamation action?
State cannot.
I just say individual.
Yes, as an individual. It is a funny thing called Bobby Ding.
Now, how about a man? I say Ghana Ghana man to be near Baco. If we're represented by a first lady, CSU,
no, you bet no, it is Ghana man, you bet Macabu, Musea, Cocono, a bed.
Now, say Ghana for my baby, you be so council, they are coming under the umbrella body, so we Ghana ma to almost cocoa to swear.
Assembly say, I will say, who show say, assembly ni panic affecting wo. Branya affecting affecting me.
Okay.
What good many massy? A mass will be whom ya or dream say now can yen the credit.
Okay.
Intimate Naman Crawfus me. But what do you mean, Cassa yen?
Okay.
You understand? Inti that requirement no, it should be me.
It should be personal.
Inti na make us think of Bobby say, oh, me near see we cry. Na yes say, would there be see we.
So no pass we be.
Exactly. We're going to hoofy. Inti on
no loyalty o say me tell me oba o.
Yes.
O yire your oba. Say bia o yire so ka say say I say me to kwan ko Togo kra. I say obi a na ma no hwehwe bisa. As will be whom I know her will see a chibi says, eh, Ghana for my dear. Yes, some dear say, and no, only by to me, Gassa say, oh, no, by very difficult for a ma to come together. Or be just say, a seminal kind, a minute, a very difficult. I see.
Yes, even Ghana, my na kaboom, now we can assemble them. Cry very difficult would be to prove, say, a seminal kind, because I also say, a seminal nippanic kind, one or the wo.
Okay.
Two, our dream, but Osha will not a interview, no grantee. So, can you establish, say, no, I dream money, it's a very difficult. Yes,
because on the in a me abrabo no mintumi ebi a wo de ohu a me
ebi a wo hu so
on de ohu so nti on de obe ya obe survive ya ne say de obe ya yi kaka nti o see second case here case
second case me refer Bernard and Wayek
okay
Bernard draw A-level economics I feel results ne buy no na against his name no ya withheld he was surprised until he went to Wayek to find out. Before he even get there, they have written a letter to him. How much letter money say? Why say what impersonate? Until for that reason, he has suspended. He withheld results. He have banned for 3 years. I won't treasure him.
Abra Wayek for musa ninti emubia.
Until who san afe before bias my impersonate to be aye. Afe one Wayek for sanchron he say oh yeah sorry. Yeah, who say it was a mistaken identity? And you na ye patch by be fufro. Inti ono say no, mwagumi hufi. Even the fact say mwa catch them say mwa banning for 3 years. Na 2, mwa catch them say my impersonator marry for me withheld me resource no crash say mwagumi hufi. Ma like trauma. I've gone through trauma. Yeah. Inti Wayek trauma so say okay, yeah mistake. But you have more platform to go and write the exams again. Into the booth, you call court. Say no. Court to know if compel Wayek to pass him.
Without writing.
Without writing. If say, omo shadan omo failing, you know omo de cho omo koye no say wa impersonate to be more withheld the results. Until someone who say enye we are, oh yeah, he's not in a position right to write the exams. Into court upheld. Court upheld say yes. Now, you share the requirement. Was it published? Yes.
Yes.
Was pasted on the notice board.
Yes.
When you can say, yes, we wrote to you secretly. In the between ye and wo. Say, let Anaa yet no. You have a third party be to be anti.
Okay.
Say, wo send away. But court ni say once crowd much show when it's a resource withheld. No. Nukra and north grounds will be who say. Why yet be born? Into the court upheld it.
I see. Into your say, lawyer, so for be could not sorry there. Who's that to be uncle for counseling?
Yes.
No, I call canasem, na so for na media my year, and na media me. Na ma pen memma. My name memma bear a beer or say bear 100, and not 300. I cry in a do my you more. And maybe a bear maybe a advert be a name ready no more to Yana mamma cannot destroy. And crown was away a clam. We are clam. Who's the way we are also a boys be one man. Oh, Copegi will be again ampenia. After Bema be free, another area, babus again. Oh, but we don't mind a clam. And to be crowned, won't is now crowder was a clam. Oh, gay, you may don't mind hair. Boys away, I know be used to wear the chiche. And no better me as you Nipan. Until first of all, Patrick started with us off on the day. So, come, Wakuma must be out their chest of four. So for the one beginner saw them because the were preachy. Wa modio, but unim saw deal. Unim said intention, no. What just what pim wa kutia.
Who say, anyway, near. If we ubeti may establish, say one, as I'm not kind, a wo in order.
Okay.
Waka, I'm a third party. Ati, right? As I'm not or kind no egu hufi. But a very difficult so ubeti may establish intention, malicious intention. So ubeti match say or our dream be say ogu hufi.
Now what if baby also for nankasa on pewasem kra dada?
Whoa, sir, ubeti you see court there it is there. O allegia you have to prove. In this o corner kasa software assembly this ingredients the 3 when you have to establish it. Who establish it 2 now feel 1 kra you have got it wrong.
Oh,
yes, you have to
under defamation there.
Yeah.
So we go to court Anaa no mo him akokasa obi edi watama buhufia. E was say san e ma na e kan which is number 1. E was say intention. Onya adwini bi so obese udin.
Yes, say 1. Say asem no kan no
egu hufi. Okay.
In the eyes of the public. In the eyes of the public. The statement
itself should be
defamatory.
Okay.
Either it was a song, was a guest star, face guest star, was a picture or whatever, a good movie. 2, asem na nipa ne kan ye no, right? Our intention, right? Our intention say or the good movie.
Okay.
In a 3 asem no eye wo no de.
Okay.
Na nye obi fufuro.
Okay.
Inti fa ne say ye mienu ne ye hwa.
Okay.
Na pastor na kai ye nyina akọ ka in similar way na pastor nika also to me chere say enye other party other person be ye me into want me improve say eye me a very difficult. I see. A very difficult.
Nti everyone say back to the other example say be man oba o matena na o magyae na anata kasa aba no say bi no to me na minim bra bi tema one ne girl o mutumi gina tema come 7 we are say o mo shell filling station bi ho o mutumi bo atwede ne we abbo bottle so unu wi so we kwase je say o se ne kwase anyina woni pem eno e unim be ma no se ne bo afudie ba unim se ogu ani mase abonten o ogu ani mase se de be ma fufuo bi amepe eno so
eno no se no ye perfect case for wanchiwa
versus
and yes if say yes abufuo ho so asem na wo kan no wo hwe wanchiwa second circuit court say any was circuit court nka be say abufuo nti intention malicious intention wasn't there sir. But a high court said there be utimi nkasa nti wo de bad the same way now so wo gina public now ka say we before we kwasea we this the court will impugn say you have defamed the person
elo betimi abobo ensemfo bi wo hono ma nipa kan wan we ya obedam e wo defamation asem wa ye keka kire ye ho but o kan e do beto or because say cromfo me pesa o my words bia if we na ko betimi ahwe ye ho ye.
But let me clarify this. Defamation is a tortious action. Tortious.
You obi na call law school ni you can tortious one. Obi kwa de na dwene be kwa adwene.
Yes. Anya criminal.
As a president former bresu no yi criminal defamation if you.
Exactly.
Into ye to me for being tum because of defamation. Ebeboka. But say eno so ka boni na mu.
Oh yes. Ina ye betimi place an injunction on you. Say nipa no kra embeno kasa okan no and cancer kasa ni bi nti all those will be some of the remedies.
But I know the court here apart from these old cases now same we case be a defamation court are successful.
Oh yes normally no like newspapers recently yes court have yes PIS successful.
But how about defamation in domestic settings say oba ne bema e ma mienu renchwa mu de your old case o
yes
now saying sa na ma na esi
for me my year case bi sa
now say oh
na akrafo mienu na walk na ba ko ka kire ba ko say oye kronfo na ba ko so ka kire say inti na ye say wase apron
e wa abonten
akrafo ina say oh inti just me kunu no ka kire say mase apro inti odi asem ne court na odi oba ne court na ofre be man to we ba ko ofre be man as witness say onu ka kire me say wo be man no na ka kire me and he said this in the public inti one the eyes of the public no obi ahum say mase apro right in our two who can you sell the gumi hufi
sir yes
in our three say na who can it say e be ma no
e na
akasa akire
because be ma no kwa na ehu hoda
wow indeed that was it in a court not upheld but even though
court not upheld
yeah court no say yes even though court no can say e bufu we are so e kronfo no so ya but onu ya say kronfo no when and no say a defamation until you didn't bring action but no ya why ya no say nasia pro no ehun say we until no the back court and say we be raise defense say so ya
so it cannot be a defense
until no court no didn't accept that as a defense court no who say is afterthought.
Are you serious case?
Yes. Court no who say afterthought.
No, but we are some was say touch muchen ko for say eh common ntokwa ya ye ne ho e man e ta ko ba
ye ka sans
ko jom say ya
no ka bibi o wo de be ye ne to ma de so
me wa be ye sun to me ko prove you
yes want to improve
and ye to me de be ye to nipa no so na for bi antona de
yes
ubetimi de nipa kro no ka sa na kokot
wo de nipa kokot ubetimi de na kokot be say we gu hu fi one and no cry has an economic effect and yeah who figure can we go it has a economic effect
we go jet no cry or the kuta on one was
yes
by some keke no first I buy you so no na mami bi e water my we am say ayi one home dey was you to watch say the be na e watch so say you so not asem obi to mo I say we gogo me right we say na good dwa
yɛse nkwan no
yɛse yɔkɔ gari ɔde ɔwɔ ahyɛ aseɛ ɛna ɔwɔ saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ sɛm
onu ase yɛse onu ase pɛ
na ɔwɔ nafe
yes ne nyinaa defamation
nkane kɔm sɛ mo de kɔkɔs
ne nyinaa defamation because wagu ne ho fi ɛno was serious implication so sɛ wagu nipa ne ho fi ma affect the economic life so into all those way amounts to defamation.
I see.
And yet,
this is very good education, my Ghana Hanumpa, because saloon, a may yet saloon, ye did attempts, it's a pama dear, ye did attempts, in St. Joe for doctors, lawyers, yeah. Inti me pesa obobo west bia but before that bacho say bia boys is here say Friday night no ma hia na o de ma me yama yi na me meto so abuja mama me ka mo say o hwe me o case na your live e wo Adom TV ene ye kan defamation so obi aka bibi e de a kire wo no odi egu anim ase say the lawyer kan e wo say de edi kan asem no ya asem egu hu fin number 2 e wo say asem a wo kan e wo say nipa foforo bi so te apart from mumienu amo kasa na say nipa otoso miensa ti da say bia obeka no radio so ana obeka no TV so ana wa twa ba de obokrate na ugina bonti dwom bedwom asori dem na waka mo ko na lawyer kan ni case ndi ana krafo mienu omo ko na we akodi na tem na ebi yisiri edi de nko kan say am de nkwampage obi so say me de atopa metwia wo ndi e kan enye defamatory na mom de o kan lawyer say ne client idi no abegina no akoka sebe perivo masumu a manu se sumra so say wase kankan wase apro na je se be me bia mpeme area ho ka gumani ma se boy bia ba say sister yi o ja yese na se kankan na me se mo asema make we yi law nti na make no me to me kan any other way nti mo fa nche me na waka ne say lawyer say defamation wo gu nipa no fi ama bi wonu kwa ma mi o de be ye ne ton na aduane odi we na ton na yi na ye ntobie wagu ne ho fi agu ni dwa ahye ni dwetire ti ano kra de wo kokoto ka atuguba be bow ana justice of sofa kufu CJ wo be bow no wan hwe ye o nsori biem nti ye kasa abusuafo mo ye hwe kasa mu ye ba ma ka obi se me wo case na wo hwe na tachi bites ana ye kanfo ama ti o china se wo be sitin bi wo ba bi a ye ne nyansam mesrew enkonom nsa no enne ye se tramadol se de se ekum nipa ama kum kofo bi bachonom papa ye very careful na nipa nkwa etete haya num nana tachi bites cause no ye di nubuna na ahye ni dudo bites na di ne ye de amaw tu nyale mo bi tato o ne se wakum no e se wo hye wa ho nkyene tu wa ho de pa wo ba bia shop bia wo ma foforo ka chom se wo mpe nana tachi na ye ho e ma ho de pa no so hangover bi anim tu no ma wonim se wo nom ne papa we so FDA wo ma check ya mo de stamp watim say pai se nana tachi bites e na ye papa wo betimi anom enti no me no na emo papa ma beni se state e na penifo ka se 2020 ye kan law yi nyina na ye fa adwene wo ti ase obi si economy ni nti wontumi rent dan pacho memma na nya wo target wani so ade wo so be rent dan ena azigiza ba digi azigiza mu no yo azigiza on joy ko hwe no 20 years ago said also for azigiza the same sa not here hwe no ho so yie ba bia nipa odu ti beto aduane a obedi wabusuafo are very important unya ma benefit dey bia uni problem nti pacho ye tisa azigiza we secure no say o choro book no ade e kire na experience dey share nkofo ma benefit state pacho kogibi na ma obia medada o mesewo emema problem said e ba o china obema issue bia kwakofa asem bia e de abro pacho obi ka cho so obema asase wo bebi o fake ka chense me say na lie this ma benefit estate pacho mbema kwa mo tuetu na kakra omo okokumlemle ha ya obajo FM achi ono obajo FM kwa ya betro baby omo office no number na 0204590190 Mal Benis Estate asase a any problem na betu ya kakra madam anwume mi okay sa na wo hwe na defamation ene ye ka ho asem no se de obeka asem amo agu obi ho velo na mebusa ensemfu a obi bobɔ so a na wato trap nim se kai nipa no wodo kwa yimfia ya chew debia wodo ko court a also watom wo ye ho hwenye ye
ebi ni se wo ye kronfo wo ye beifo wase kankan hu fi
wo kasa obi ye kronfo a na bia wonim se owiawia na ma ngitingiti so
yes wo say na so ko kire
Ah, see, no court.
I don't court. Na if we mami clarify way. So we are defendants and now obi the court for defamation. Also, who are defense privilege, right?
Anything
privilege ni say asem na me kan na me dika. To say be a lecturer. Lecturer bit maka say me use no the example for academic purpose.
Teacher ni o chira the classroom here.
Exactly.
Say be o come example bi na egu obi ehun fi a eno no udu me
yes, so o use ye oni say intentions of the go hu fi.
To say the e ka we ntia dey say we
explaining exactly.
Ye dey chira law. Nti ye obi entume.
Ye go obi.
Nti say dia ye ntia kro no te ase. Ana na busuafo te ase. O ntume me fa say ya repeat asem nti. Okay.
Ye ya ni. But ye dey chira asem.
Okay.
Inti that is one. In our two, justification. Justification is say asem a kan ye no kre. Ti say yes.
90 mpacho o mami o grant o koka che obi se se wase aproi.
Efia.
Okoka se lawyer judge minim say we.
Say ubetimi establish approve or judge nanim say na o kan ye no kre a. Unya no ye. Yes,
it's yeah. To be a politicians or what discay. See, you bet me and dance a politician over this car. And you need information case.
Wait for academics, right? Yeah, the church has for B to say, Obi out in a court, yes, a crown for. Say, court in finding Nipani guilty, say, oh, ye crown for, ya convicting, so ye crown for, friend crown for, obviously you. Sir, but a court, I can't say, oh, case or what, ye case, no. But the case
in the
judgment here.
Yeah, the photo crab by TV so.
Yeah, no court of competent jurisdiction. I can't say or no, I can't for good movie.
I see.
But it's so be a yenim say we ya chino. Na ya convicted no.
I call them craba.
And no ukase konfo your defense is justification.
I see.
Now can ye no correct.
I see.
Inti no no ungu no hu fie. E fact.
And awaka.
In awaka.
Okay, na say obi kwaka say obi a obi tiri wa tutu. Nso obi wa no ma say o we dey ni tiri wa kuku. I check for yare ba wa unim super say ni tiri wa tutu ba nipa no be gina court say me tiri wa tutu
into be
establish fine boy
yes into say a fine boy na also ugidi say na wo kan e no kra na wo kan enye ya e no kra na wo kan nti oyi lawyer you establish yes it is a ultimate establish say na wo kan e no kra undifemi obi aye
I see but in the meantime there and some phobia also check and say man friend obi say or your crown for abra woni yen convicted
no
and friend say or ya ashawoni
okay ashawoni exactly
o kan we defame abra hu ni say na say me hu say nipa na ogina ka kwan ho so
wo if obi gina ka kwan ho nkire say o ya ashawo uko service start na
bi say me hu ni so ogina cycle so
eno nkire say na so obi twam o cycle obi ho twam ogina receive call obi ho so if everybody say akofa ho no ma obi hu bebre okofruka. It's true. Me kai sometime be kwa soro ayapon me sister be ye for say how for her obi ko hu na mistakenly waka say we so hu obi onimu so this time we hu no ahead nti the first we hu obi ho nkire say oya shawo
like okay baby ti say tema me tema na me ni o tema so bi mali no she mini skirt no ne hu ne mini skirt kiti a untu minga so ye dia ano na biena ti o pa che say na atade na wa hye no enu nti na wo gina so de ka say oya shawo nti wo ka prove o court nti wo ka che court say na atade wa hye no ni time o de nam no me gidi say oya shawo say court no side with you so I side with you then that is it but if no that is it nti na atade o hye the dressing baby on nam in mau grounds I'll be ka say oya shawo nti so for ye counseling na be of sister what are there we share so original ho we dey was ashawni atade we dey fata kristonia eno wagu hunfi wakama congregation ati wagu hunfi yes be out unam when why Jezebel na shede why on shawni oyesa wagu hunfi
Anaa yes okay musha a bit more establish all the three grounds
nti beye enfro bi bey for money beye ene kan ma bi bedem o because bema bia maame na oba bia aboni beye
yes
obama bia maame ba na no hwehwe no wanya menopause because maame o bey for ne aboni beye defamation
is a defamation
na ha semra okay na the word see obi say you kwasea defamation
bodanfo defamation we see kasa bia o ka de agu obi hu fi what defame onipa no but it depends on the context who can say boys a share yeah to be oh stupid boy go away well wo usha agroso enye we bi adwimi take say make the aguni pa no fi
right ye mra ne meto aso nim ye ba kwa ye behwe tie benya chance kwa na ekofumanya kwan bi depending on say commercial year na ka mabuta questions bi de na ebi obi aka kire oda a ode egu hu fi a wo hwa wagu anim ase wo case also to me the court confirm nyame no ya say nkofo e ma bebre na mo abeti ne omunya boys mo ware om because obi akogina ba bia akogu nanim asese ge we ode cheche oh we tutu we cheap girl nso bia na nya sa anote mema bebre wotan wa very serious responsible boys but obi dina kogina ba bia zo boy wonye serious oh you know we want guess na da minimum obi kro obi dina konya we twa guess what africa just very terrible no ko do see boy sabi obra no what africa for guess ya say so brai what is that mo kangu no finti obaby e wona no ase wo ye say so ye ba ne aba beto aso mi okay sa na ni kai say Adom committees che waje ba bia say numru uno unam town ba bia from holiday in a ko bi na say okotna campus no say campisti ukọ campisti kwa ma say Adom kwaje wono mafa all the way to kiki bi bia say obi a che say ye ntie o chena Friday say the Adom committees obesu ye ba say sia abusiafo asamba bi we live mi o case Anaa so live Adom TV so ye wazo ye ne lawyer Paul Parker atitogbe ene ye no ewo hanu ti ye kan law no ne ye ka defamation se de egu obi enu ase na ye nsentofo nyina we ye kokobode maye Ghana fo nyina na nse obati asi be yie be ifo bi no otu anajo ena wako crashe na be no obi maame na bi wo okra no menopause oni refi ne ho ye bi di dementia unyini ana account na fe refi ho na for na no kasa say we be for asofo abeje kai profess you are wait nyaka ene nkofo mu di asofo ati TV so a ye preach na de nkofo maame no ne papa no ma begina na ye se wo mu nyina ya abefo in the glare of the camera and the public lawyer eno sa maame for no mu case because ni na ya fama nyame ntie nsu o wo di obi ba ana obi yire begina TV so na pronounce no so wo ebefo mi wa bi ana oton ade o kan shi inti size of on ebeti mesu no
I have heard of a case titire o ma me bi say be nyameche ye so chichi abayefo
ta ho
yes nyameche let me say ono kwa na ma sa nyameche area ho no
edi ni ba ye
na so chichi abayefo no timi ko katamanto se ma chi bayefo ye we say o ye so obi siu no o jaye ko dwane fi Ghana kra kwata yes inti obi siu no okobo ma me be ye ina nimba sorry ye ne dey court for defamation until it you succeed
sister bi to say or say sister Lizzie or watch moda ne papa nimpo ebo ni beye ewo tenant efiefo a omoti o ma o say obi amu ano wo we no tu no fi on to just say as a krom o obi am men no ono so
wagu ne hu fi
nti ono so o case
go to court
okay
go to court
okay enti how about say ono so say in central for yen say why asembisi ana ne e kan ya na asem we na way and na celebrate way na way and na way no pema bre wo pema pa ne abeka eno so we say say over sensationalization but aya de kan obi on my fact but ne de bi akeka ho embellishment
if we obe who say most often no say obi call radio station bi koka bibia say you sue nipa na ya the radio station ne ka ho
no cre
most often
yeah the count Etore bi ko mutu mi jani pa kono ka na esi radio station.
Because you see, wo na wa man platform ma all the kasa into publication and kasa no wo na we publication to the third party.
So one can and ko bi nte.
Yes. You want into the radio station no kraka ho. Right. Into their mouth. Into asam ne ba ne ye kan. Sometimes you investigate we don't go behind to find out asam ye kan. E ba ya ne age. Esom. Into yes. Yes.
Abrantie we o say o the Phillips o say if you me me wife kontokwa na me wife te na no ene ne 32 ka che me say na wo ye bema onye bema enkura no kra nya wo ma ho kra ni ho
no way if we enye kra
nti eno so ogunu
we gunu hu fi if we dey in the highest order
sa
we gunu hu fi kra ade bema chi kra so obeti se obeka che me say me hu ni ho
na say no crash we
no wa be kire court said serious
and it is so that the evidence or to me the evidence was a bra nkora no kora na nya o ma ye de DNA
no so the DNA prove say enye mba but eno no na ompe because la wo hwe mbra ni mu a once a omoye awarefo no omoba yes so hwe mbra ni mu a akwala bi a ye wo na de bi a mu akwa do the marriage no modia but on that no force no onto me no way just for a program purpose anyway.
I see a very serious issue na just say obi on so I say oh boy so because I know so tesi obi on man the boyfriend onyanya awaye nti there are no rights parties in be accrue to the parties maybe a domestic setting be domestic violence ka say domestic relations on na tie kra so hu ni ho bia we jano na ge one nam no spread the chain kofo bra we ni hu ni ho we di ni sika ni bi we onye adwuma we ni sisinka we fa on safa nti ho no asa wudi a che area girls nyina say bra we ni hu ni ho
afia unnim nipa ne po na okasa a kire okra wagu hu fi let alone your girlfriend
okay
unnim no kra na okasa oh bra we ni hu ni wagu hu fi yes wagu hu
nti so your girlfriend kra dia
yeah na che say ono kra e ka wo engineer so ono no punishment no will be more severe than obi a onimu a wetima aka say na ebufu bi
e na o si ni nyina no enya de a criminal
no,
but e bebo ka
civil yes
ene e ka no betimi ama emu aye dupa but emu duro no egina se nipa no oye penny minister ana se politician ana se bia egina se oye sofo ana oye ni petituru
normally no wo na obeka che court say wagu mi hu fi nti acosto me say well ebia amama adwuma se adwuma me ye kra obi amabiem na wa kotu bibi se nti wo na betume kotu figure bi se bia 500,000
okay
na court nso ahwe me say okay $500,000 nti me ma 400 and ma 300
okay
yes
okay you George Kwabena e wa dental no say ifia Chiababa to fake mama income greater Accra or show pa enjoy about about cause it's a fantastic show and amoye no Rodale amankwa no say ifia me so I'm enjoying discussion no say the mokoso no e bebre de omo kan say the Moisha kan no kra de enye ntro waka na Ghana girls bebre mpa adwuma nti o say waka nti de enti say Ghana mai wo say ye ne say ye nyina ye nim say ye de ntisa me say me tia me da me na kra de bia no mani asoja red adwuma na me ti me nka me mayi me ho afrum do so hwa na nka wan na lawyer aka no fama nyame no obi ka se tia wo wa ye wo oye sofo oye wo neighbor oye wo papa oye wo maame oye onua oye wadanfo chese fa no kokot su no jisika ye fa ne ntumi e bebo ne ka ye tua 1 billion na wo tua se ohwinimunwuni a e na abo say yes next time wo kasa asebe wo to wano ase be ma kwase ma ne bebe otumi tete kwase a oh baby one more keka kwase a without thinking about it no keka ngu be ma bi enu ase o kan se be ma to jimifo no aka no de a che ye nyesa wo ba na be ma tumi ate ne se 32 so wo ba afon hu no so wo ba afon se ni nyina defamation said the lawyer ache unu na Moisha ne Christian Amampo ni CNN the end weekend e be live e be ban e be hwe full interview ni ahwe say ye wo case wo mu ana Ghana betimi akokot against Moisha na CNN and Kata for airing that because Ghana ma very decent hard-working women. And you remember to that Emma Michael Apabila ni Prudence Batinge Gempa Law Faculty or Mono research and my lawyer Paul Parker Chichogbe and so and a boy me and run as a production team in the Master Papa Pelen and a director and my cameraman near Daniel Yakupo Shamo Jesse and Belinda Musu Yakupo Shamo Samoboa and the my ever sign out was about that can send come here for Nana 30 bitters. I don't go bitters, my Benny's estate. Yom den sa se papa e boye o madama ya wade bia 9:30 me ehia e wo me okay sana anyway e ma good evening bi mo den e fa me vim lady e fia kokɛ mo vim boy mo vim